Welcome to the channel. This is Ghost Garage here, otherwise known as Jeff. Just basically making this video today, just stating what the future of the channel is going to be and the content that you're going to be seeing. Alright, so first things first, the content that you're going to be seeing is going to be mostly maintenance related. And second of all, I drive a 2019 Subaru Forester. So you're going to be seeing a lot of maintenance on that. You're going to be seeing possible upgrades. Just depends. Third, we are going to be doing road trips. So you'll be seeing at least a road trip video once a year. One coming up actually at the end of October. Possibly into mid-November is when that video is going to be released. I'm going to be spending all month of October recording it. So there's that. And number 4, you're going to be seeing like DIY around the house, you know, has to do with your car type deal, right? Content. So that's the 4 main ideas for this channel. Let me introduce myself. My name's Jeff. I'm going to be 30 years old, going to be a father of 2. Yeah, 2, I can't believe it. In November. I already have one now. He's a little over a year old. The second one's coming in November, like I said. Basically, I want to focus on this channel because I like doing road trips. I like tinkering on cars, 4-wheelers, dirt bikes, you know, stuff like that. And I just want to document it all and hopefully give my kids a better life than how I was raised and how my wife was raised. For those who don't know, my parents have passed away, and when I was growing up, they never taught me anything. So everything that I know is all self-taught. Like for example, all the maintenance stuff that I'm going to be doing on my Forester. Like everything is self-taught. But yeah, I got about 5 video ideas before I start to do the road trip vlog. So when I'm currently recording this, which is August 14th, this video should be out by the 26th of August. And then we'll have videos every Wednesday after that. During the road trip month, I'm going to be posting a lot of shorts. Hopefully 1 a day, maybe 2 a day if we're lucky. You will be seeing not a decent amount of shorts, but maybe like a short every week as well. So Wednesday upload with a short maybe on Friday. I don't know. I'm still on the up in the air about that one. But yeah. So the video that's coming out after this is actually going to be my 2019 Forester that I've had for 2 years. I'm going to be breaking down the cost of it for the last 2 years. I wanted to do it at a year, but I was homeless at the time, and to be honest, I could have recorded a lot when I was homeless, but I was just so embarrassed because, well, I was homeless with my pregnant wife with me in the car. Yeah, it wasn't a fun time. We were homeless for almost a year. Wintertime was not fun. But that's besides the point. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this little update video, I'm going to say. Yeah, just last notes is I just want to be myself. I've been trying to make YouTube work since 2014, so 12 years, with multiple different channels. And this is the only one that's had somewhat of success on it. And I just want to keep it going because I like making videos. The only thing is though, when I was making videos, which if you find some, congratulations, but most of them are privatized now. I wasn't myself, and I just want to be myself. And Like, I'm 30 years old. I don't really care what people think about me anymore. Like, I got horrible teeth. I look like this. I'm an average guy. And I just want to make content around the average person. Instead of wanting to buy the next supercar that comes out and doing a vlog on that or two and then selling the car type deal. No, it's mostly going to be about family style, like, vehicles. So SUVs, regular cars. You might, if it ever does pop off, I might buy a special car for myself, personally. Like, I also want to build a car with my kids and have something for them when they get older. Also, my brother-in-law, like, he's fairly young. He's never really had a father figure in his life, and I want to be one for him, and I want to build a car with him. Like, I want that kind of style of content on this channel, and I'm going to shoot for it. So, yeah. Before I ramble on too much and everyone goes bye-bye, I'm going to go bye-bye because I got to get back to work. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next video.